Hey friends, this is Matt from Jeep WK2 Adventures, and today I'm giving you a twofer. The first is recovery ramps. I don't know about you guys, but I don't do a ton of off-roading. I do a lot of fire roads, I do a lot of dirt roads, I do a lot of snow, but I did want to have the convenience of having some type of recovery tool. I don't have a winch, and I'd ordered 2 or 3 different types of recovery systems, and I finally landed on this. This is the Firebug emergency ramp from Amazon, and why I like this particular ramp is demonstrated in this video. If you've tried to purchase a Smittybilt or some of the other more popular, I will say, brands, arguably maybe better built, they are long and they will not fit widthwise in the back of the Jeep. And so this particular brand, which I will share a link in the comments, is exactly the width of the back of the Jeep. And you can actually run them front to back on one side as well. So they're relatively out of the way. I don't do a lot of hauling in the back of the Jeep, so handy to have them there. They stack, they don't rattle. Quality wise, compared to the Smittybilts I had, which I'm now running in my truck, these were $89. So they are heavy duty plastic. I would not be surprised if you had a very heavy vehicle, you could maybe break these, but I have no doubt these will work just fine in the 1 or 2 times I may ever use them. So big shout out to Firebug. Again, 89 bucks on Amazon. They fit perfect in the back of the Jeep, and if you're looking for a solution that doesn't involve mounting something to a rack on top, doesn't require you to put your seats down to carry, this might be a good solution for you. Second thing I want to talk about is the cargo mat. If you've watched some of my other videos, you will know that I am a die-hard WeatherTech fan, and this has changed my mind. Both the floor mats in this vehicle as well as this cargo mat, in my opinion, are better than what WeatherTech is offering. This is the Jeep version. It is cheaper than the WeatherTech. It is actual flexible rubber. It is heavy duty. It is very grippy. And the beauty of it is, if you're accessing the panel underneath with the WeatherTech, there was a real challenge with it not folding well, and it was just very awkward. This, because it is so flexible, really works well. Now, it will tell you it does not come up on the sides, so you do lose some of that water catching. So if you have soaking wet stuff, you might have a problem if you're hauling, you know, I don't know, gravel back here. But for me, you know, being able to use this really works well for me. I'm very happy with it. I will say mine sticks up just a little bit because I am running a full-size spare that is one size larger. But overall, really happy with this. If you have the option between this and the WeatherTech, my recommendation all day long is to go with the Jeep version. Fits perfect, works perfect, and I'm really happy with it.